Hello. Today we're going to continue to look at ScreenCastify. We want to look at it very closely. Pay close attention because I do not have time in class to go over these details. First off, once you've installed the extension for ScreenCastify, you'll notice you have an orange arrow up here at the top with a camera on it. Click on that. It will open up more about it. You have three main tabs across the top here: the browser tab, the desktop, and the webcam. The browser tab will sit there and allow you to just focus on one tab. I don't use that very often. It kind of limits you because the one tab I have open, if I need to go to another tab for whatever reason, it will not show up. So I don't find a lot of use for that. The desktop, however, will sit there and allow me to change or add tabs as I go along. Webcam only is just that. It will only sit there and have the camera show you or what you're holding up in front of you on the display. So watch carefully when you use that one. We do need the microphone so that you have a voice recording, and then you also have your embedded webcam. This is helpful if you have a secondary USB camera and you want to be able to choose which one. The other advantage is you can come over here and choose where you want the image to show. For example, right now my image is down here in the lower left-hand corner, but I could just sit here and change that to any different corner depending upon what I want to present and who I'm interacting with. From there, we do have some more options. When you click on that, you have a countdown timer. That kind of helps you, okay, it's counting down. It's going to start in 3, 2, 1 seconds. Show drawing tools. This is where, as I go along, if I'm covering material, I could sit there and highlight what I find important. And we'll show more about that later. System audio, show webcam preview. So I really like this because then I can tell, okay, the camera's set too high, it's set too low, things like that. So watch that. Try to use your preview because it helps you to focus and see what you need to do. And then when you hit record, it starts recording. Last video, we talked a little bit about the other menu options, my recordings, the different options. This gets complicated, but you can now see it opened up another screen. You wouldn't be able to see that if we had used the tab view. You would only be able to see the original tab. We went over this, so I'm not going to go over it again, but if you have questions, let me know, or better yet, just watch the previous video. Well, and that paused out. One moment here. Let me see if I can get this to open back up. Okay, there we go. Now, the other things, my recordings, you can go in there. You can also see that my recordings here. You also have notifications. You might want to look at that. Typically it'll have a marker there indicating that it needs you to look at that. And then some more advanced settings. The resize tab, limit resolution. I really don't think you need to mess with that for what we're doing. Okay, check with me for what your assignment is after you've watched this video. We have a lot to do today. Manage your time wisely. Thank you.